Today we will look into MEM. Those who are following us know that we loved MEM in the past. It was one of the first AI note takers and it was amazing to use, and we saw a bright future for MEM. Then we killed it. We ripped it out of our tool stack for several reasons that if you want to watch them, you can check out the video here. But obviously we never closed the door completely. And I keep getting updates, emails from MEM to see that they implement this and they implement that. So it seems they're pretty active. Actually, something that we've been missing while we were using MEM was the communication to the community, what they're working on, what will come up next. So this is already a good step into the right direction to keep people informed. And that's why I keep following the newsletter. And I think it's about time to make a video to dive into this together with you guys. So I just opened up MEM. I didn't check out anything. I'm going into there with a fresh mind, just with you. I didn't review anything. Let's see how much has changed since I made the last video and if it is worth coming back. So let's dive in.
Paperless movement, your productivity, your way.
Okay, here we are in MEM and I just opened this up. I activated my MEM X subscription, so we really have all the features as well. And now let's see what they can do for me. I like that I see now all the notes. I can see them added by me, shared with me. So it seems the collaboration feature is still a thing. But you see, the last time I added a note was in September 2023 when I made these tests, and that was it. So I just recognize when I hover over this, I like it that the preview pops up. And I still don't understand why they add the sources up here, so I can add the sources as there's not so much to add. So why do you waste real estate for this button? Something personal. Also for new node, once I understand what this button is all about, I think the icon would be more than enough that just show these new nodes if we want to have a clean interface. But this is personal preferences there. I like in general the clean look. The things that worried me, that everything was a chat experience after they relaunched MEM and they cut out so many features. So now it seems when I come home, I finally see my inbox and all the notes. So let's create a new node with Control N. And now this is a new node in 2024. It shows me the similar titled MEMs and it shows me similar to this MEM. That's interesting. I don't know why it shows Apple notes, digital note taking, MEM. Yeah, probably due to node. And then I can show more. And I like it that when I hover over the node, I will see the information there. So now I have the inbox and I can even search for if it contains images, videos, things like that. Talking about this, now let's see if I finally can add a video embed, because that's something I personally was missing as well. So let's search for movement, the recent video. Let's go back, make another node, and we just paste this in. And it's not doing anything. I can visit the URL. It shows me now similar things because it has YouTube in there, obviously. But there's no embed yet. So I can attach a file, add an image. So there's no change there. So I'm curious, when I can search here for contains video, what this actually means. Why? Okay, so it recognizes the YouTube links, but this seems to be it. I can add additional search, searching for GIF animation. So it's not showing up anything yet, so it seems they didn't add anything there. Another thing is contains PDFs. So let's see what happens if we add a PDF file. So here I get one of our magic slides from our courses. Let's see what happens. Okay, I uploaded it. There's no PDF embed, but if I click it, okay, it opens this up. That's interesting. It shows the text. Okay, so now let's see, as the title doesn't say anything, let's see if we actually find the content if we search for it. So therefore, I will ask exactly what is PKM and a PKM system. That's chat, and let's see what this comes up with. Let's see. Well, let's see what sources it's using. Okay, it used existing nodes to explain what the PKM is according to ICOR as we teach it. So I can now open this up and now I'm in the node, but it didn't recognize the PDF. As we just added this, it might be due to a delay, as it might need to index the PDF files. If you go to sources, let's see what sources were consolidated. No, so the PDF is not showing up. I still like this, the sources that it's showing there, but now with the ClickUp brain integration where we can leverage our business knowledge management. This becomes more and more common, these things. So if you haven't watched this video and are interested into how you can leverage AI in ClickUp, there's another video you can check out on the channel. But here I really like the way, and I always liked it. That's not something new, okay? So we can check the sources. Now I can mem it, so I can save the result there. That's also a nice experience, and it recommends me other things that I can now follow up to ask. So do you have a PDF about, okay? Let's see. No, see, it doesn't find any PDF, but I guess when I go back to home, there's the PDF file, and I say PDF. I don't know, guys. What do I know? If you know, let me know in the comments below. But what do I need to know in order to attach a PDF in a way that it gets filtered by this button? And there was just a little sparkle popping up here saying titled by mem. That's something that would be amazing. That's something Apple Notes actually does. It recognizes the PDF and tries to find a title and then titles the thing. But it seems here in this case, all mem did was just using the PDF title and putting it on top. I can add it to collections. It's interesting that it is recommending these collections, which could work. So you can to productivity, confusing. So let's open this in a new sidebar. I saw an announcement that they now have a sidebar. Loading times still pretty long, to be honest. You know, that's the thing. When I need to find information, I cannot solely rely on AI. That's something we saw over and over in other note-taking apps as well. The best way is to have an organization of your notes in a way that you can retrieve the information the moment you need it, because you exactly know where to find it, how to search it. AI is just a layer on top to give you serendipity, to search for words that might be similar to what you're looking for. It's just an additional tool to find information. But if you really want to be productive with your knowledge management system, then you have to have the right structure. And if you haven't seen the video, I made a video where I showed you the different node organization structures like folder structure, tags, databases, and so on. That might be interesting for you, so make sure to check it out if you haven't seen it yet. Okay, now I talked a lot and it keeps loading. And that's something that I was used to back then using mem, that things kept loading. Memex never showed any context or any related nodes. It was really nice that it was recognizing different languages. So if I was writing in German, it found related nodes when it worked. But now with the new ClickUp AI, I see less and less a reason to use this. And well, search your mem and I have a chat. So let's see, test. Now it shows me a lot of things. At least I can search my information. I have favorites, which is nothing that I can click on. It's just showing me here. And this was about it. The interesting part would be also if there is finally a dark mode, something many of you have requested, especially if you have such a clean interface. It's really exhausting to look at a big screen, but nope, there's no option like this. So guys, I went into this and I really thought maybe there are some exciting things that are really different, as I saw all these updates coming up and I never looked into detail in these updates. So obviously, maybe I missed the key features that they implemented. When it comes to speed, you saw the loading screen. I don't see the big jumps going forward in the development of mem, but we will certainly keep having an eye on it. And again, go to the comments below if you're a mem user and there are the things that I missed, and I'm happy to check them out in the next video. Until then, stay productive and I'll catch you up in the next one.